Whee! Are you hungry? You want your dinner? We're gonna have dinner after this, I promise. So much drama, he's so hungry. He's only had breakfast and lunch today. Hey friends, it's Vicky, welcome back. Today I have for you guys another easy vintage hairstyles video. But this one's a little different and special because I'm gonna be recreating some hairstyles by the artist Marla Von Duta, aka Alice. Alice, if you're not familiar with her Instagram, Marla Von Duta, and her work, she is an amazing illustrator and textile designer. She has some awesome like prints and patterns that she comes up with, and just overall just illustrations. Her art style is like so fun and unique, and one of the things that she also shares a lot on her Instagram are different vintage inspired hairstyles. So she has like these really cool little tutorials that are illustrations of how to do different vintage hairstyles, and they're always just so fun and creative. And so yeah, I thought maybe like my next easy vintage hairstyles tutorial should be recreating some of her hairstyles. So yeah, without further ado, I picked 3 different illustrations, hairstyles that she's created, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do them. And the best part is that all of these, like I said, are so easy to do. They're all updos, so you can literally do these in a matter of just a few minutes in the morning and get out of the house. But they're also like really fancy, so they could be for everyday work or also for like special events. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna do is called the Red Berries Updo, a 40s Christmas hairstyle. I love this one. I saw it a while ago when she first posted it. So she posted around Christmas time. Obviously you can wear year round. I'm actually gonna give it a little bit of an autumnal twist. You are going to need a hair rat and bobby pins and your hair. Duh. So she says that starting with the hair rat, you're gonna section off some hair at the front in order to do your bumper bangs. So let's just do that. Just roll them up, and then you're gonna wanna pin those in the sides and then spread the hair to style them. And then the next step is to take your hair and part it and do 2 braids. I like to do mine as tight as possible at the base so that they don't lift as much when I pin them up. This little hair stuck out, but that's okay. We can pin it into place. And then you can tie it with a little elastic, although you might not have to. You can just pin it into place. Okay, and then she says to pin them up. Oh, this is so cute. This is really, really cute. And then finally, she says to adorn them with little like red berries or holly. So you can do that for the Christmas time, but because we're in autumn or near autumn, technically I'm gonna use these little red berries from these autumny leaves that I have, and I'm gonna pin them into my hair. I want to put some leaves in there. This is so cute. I love it. And that's it. I'm done. Super duper easy yet adorable hairstyle. Okay, so this next hairstyle is called the bumper bun, and it is a 40s inspired summer hairstyle, but hey, why can't we wear it in autumn? I'm sure Alice would approve. So for this one, you're gonna need a hair rat and also a little donut, one of these donut hair thingies. I don't know what the official name for this is, but I call it a donut hair thingy. Oh yeah, it is called a donut. I guess that is the official name. So I already have that, so I'm not gonna redo it because I already did it. Just do what I did previously. And then taking a hair tie, you are going to tie your hair up into a very high, oh, I still got some bobby pins in here, oops. You're gonna take your hair and tie it up into a super high ponytail. Okay, once your ponytail is done and nice and neat, you're gonna try to brush the tangles out a little bit, preferably before. Oops. And then you're gonna take your hair donut. My hair's super long. The way I like to do hair donuts is put all the hair all the way through and then kind of just spread the hair out so you can see it right there. It looks nice and neat. And then just kind of take the hair and just tuck it all into place. And you can just bobby pin it into place. and like tame it down as you go. Okay, I'm gonna stop there with this donut. I find that with my curly frizzy hair donuts can be a little bit more of a challenge, but that's okay because we're gonna try to cover up any imperfections with these little orange flowers. In her illustration, she adores this hairstyle with some daisies because it's summertime, but we're using this one for autumn, so I'm putting some orange flowers up in there. And you are done. Whew. Okay, last hairstyle. This one I absolutely love. It was part of the vintage hair challenge and it is called the braided front bun. I was actually super intimidated by this hairstyle when it was part of the challenge because I've never worn a front braid like that and I was wearing it to work, so I was like, oh my god, everyone's gonna like notice and maybe look at me funny. But I actually have gotten a lot of compliments on this one and it has turned out to be one of my favorite hairstyles. Also, it's like ridiculously easy to do. So what you're gonna do is take all of your hair and put it in a front ponytail that sits at the top of your forehead. And you wanna make sure that all of the hair is as neat as possible. You probably wanna use like some sort of pomade around your head. That's actually not too bad. Then you're gonna take that ponytail and put it in a really tight braid. And it really helps if you tie the end with an elastic so that the braid doesn't become undone for the next step, which is wrapping it around in the front. So I've seen different people do it differently and some people like to have this up here. I like to wear mine almost like more towards the front, like a little hat. So the way I wrap it is just more towards the front. Not like a hat, but do you get what I'm saying? Almost coming forward, kind of like poodle hair. And then after you have it where you want it, you can pin it in with bobby pins. Okay, so you should technically be done there, but I have like a ton of frizzies and little hair. So I'm gonna try to clean that up with a little bit of bobby pins and try to fix the hair here at the front. If you use some pomade, that would help, but I don't want to use any like super harsh product on my hair today because I am not close to my hair washing day. And then once you're happy with it, you can adorn it with little flowers or leaves or berries. So cute, and I get a ton of compliments when I wear this one. And that's it, friends. These are the 3 easy vintage hairstyles recreated from Marla Von Duta's account and illustrations. If you have not already, seriously, go follow her, check her out. I'll put all of her links down below to her social and her website. Her Instagram account is super fun to follow, and I believe that she also takes commissions. She does some really cute portraits. If you like this video, and if you have not, subscribe if you would like to be a part of my tiny little old community on here. And yeah, as always, sending you a super duper big virtual hug wherever it is that you are in the world. Ow. And I'll see you next time. Bye!